Well, it's Monday and it's May 5th, and you notice this Bombardier's now moved in the yard and it's sitting out the back door, and that sound you hear is I think it's Dad or Aidan, one of the two, is already doing the sanding on the blue wide gauge. This is the 1952 that came in from Cranberry, and it looks like Aidan. Thumbs up on Aidan. He's getting all the rough spots out, and while they're waiting for that Bondo to clear on the the Bombardier Muskeg tractor, Aidan's working on this. So they must have run out of work and decided, well, let's fill in the day here. Aidan's got his safety glasses and his dust mask on. How's it going, Aidan?
Pretty good.
Yeah, is it hard going or easy going?
This don't seem to last very long at all.
No?
No, they're good for about like 5 seconds, and then it just takes
Really?
forever. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but
So which ones are you using here?
the Velcro 3Ms.
Okay, and they're not lasting.
No, they'll last for maybe 20 seconds, and then
It starts roughing up on you, or
it
getting
doesn't
harder.
It doesn't start roughing up. It just stops sanding. Like it starts doing this.
Oh,
Like,
okay, yeah,
you see how a lot of this is like this light blue,
yeah.
and then some of it's just like a dark blue that's a little bit scuffed up.
Huh?
Then it starts doing that, and you press harder on it.
And it's not working. Okay, well, then I guess we got to get different grit then, right? Or something different. But yeah, anyways, this is the 1952 wide gauge, and this is just in for a paint job right now, and I think it's getting power steering, but we got to double confirm on that. But as you can see, Aidan has not been fooling around at all today, period. He has been busy, busy, busy. How many pads have you gone through so far today? Like a whole box and a half or what? Oh wow, yeah, so you're not fooling around.
No, maybe about 10.
Oh, okay, well, keep doing what you got to do. So yeah, it's coming along here, but Aidan's got quite a bit more work to do. He's still got to get all that done there and whatnot, and then we're going to take off the doors and do that, and we are going to cut in the hood. Yeah, okay, good. Okay, so yeah, it's just sitting here right now, and Aidan's doing what he can do, and he can't do much more unless he gets better pads for sanding. But Dad is, I can hear him on the other side here, see if he wants to give us an update. And is he there? Okay.
I've been trying to stay away from any of the edges.
Yeah, we'll open the door and then you can stay away. You know, you got to think a little bit too. Can't just slip into neutral and light up.
So Monday, May 5th, and we're back at the Bombardier Muskeg tractor, and Dad was busy bondoing this all day yesterday. It looks like there's still fresh bondo there, yeah. There, and there's lots of bondo on there, so he's going over the rough spots and then rebondoing again. And his intent here is to get all those rough spots out. And I know he was doing a lot of welding there before as well, so you would have been in and out of this quite a bit. And Aidan's around the corner. Oh, there's a lot of fresh bondo on the back here. Aidan's around the corner doing the sanding on the blue Bombardier, which is back there. And so they got two sanders going full blower here. So one guy's working on one machine and the other guy's working on another machine. So quite a bit of work to be doing here. We're going to be on bondoing and sanding and grinding here for the next couple of days before they start that paint job. So there's your shop update for today.
had a guy working for us years ago in the middle 70s
Mm.
by the name of Kenny Orr. And Duck's got a new guy here now. He's going to technical school. And he damned if it is Kenny Orr's grandson.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go.
So we have
History repeats itself.
this review here.
So I noticed you got quite a bit more Bondo on here today.
Yeah, well, once you sand and if it's done good, that's done. Eh?
Yeah.
So if there's any little dips, you gotta fill them.
Okay. So back in the engine compartment here, and Aidan had to take out the fuel tank and disassemble a few other things here because he's going to be sanding back here, and he can't have the fuel tank, but that's how much rust is underneath there. You can see some corrosion underneath the battery boxes. And I think he pulled out some other stuff from inside here, but that's his stack of sanding pads there. Dad's out front doing some sanding himself. So Aidan is going to keep on working on this machine while Dad's working on the other one. And he's got some things to disassemble here. Unhook the hose there for the fuel line. So I don't know if they're going to unload this into the shop or what's the deal, or if they're just doing it off the trailer, but right now it's being done on the trailer as much as we can get done outside. And here's my Emily, my Filipino Emily, and looks like you've been swimming all day, my girl. Hey, how's my baby girl? Oh, just a good dog on shop duty. You want some treats? Come on, let's get some treats. And our Charles has found a shady spot by the shop, and he's just gonna have his afternoon treats now. These guys, they don't move too far once they get old.